Look at this. That sure is something.
I know. Oh no, they have a car. I don't think
Say. What do you think of the snow? I think you should start digging out your car. Why? Who cares? Oh yes. Oh yes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. What are you guys up to? Why does it smell in here? All right. Sophie, you guys want to go play? Let's see what it's like out there. Oh, all right. Whew. That's just pee. I thought it was a ball. Here you go. Here we go. Huh? Huh? Wait, where's the other dogs? We gotta get everyone in on this. We gotta get them all in on it. Sophie. Bring it here. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. Now this is the one. This will be fun. Huh? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Go get it. Oh my God, you got it. Good job. I tell you. Look at the pond. Still a hole in it. Yeah. All right. Sophie. I got a ball. Isn't it grand? Oh. Good thing I had the thing around my wrist, eh? Slipping and sliding. Hey now.
Which way do you want to go?
Away from the car. Oh, I didn't see you there. What I'm doing right now, I'm building an igloo. If you wouldn't mind coming around here, so you can see what I've got going on here. What you do is you pack down all the snow first. You're still not getting this. You pack down all the snow so it's nice and firm. And then that allows you to break away the lower parts. And you see the dog can be on top of it. Everything is safe, controlled. And pretty soon we'll be able to crawl right in here. It'll be just as good as in snow day. I'll tell you what. If I can just get in there. If I can just climb in. This is an awesome hangout. I can sit here all day. What did you do?
Dropped it.
Why?
Because I was trying to get down by the...
It's got a grip on it.
Here, put it in my sweater.
My phone's ruined. My phone's ruined. My igloo's ruined.
Wipe it in here.
I can't even press the stop button because the screen. My lens is like ruined. Everything's blurry. There's my little igloo. My little igloo. Ah.